Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chatgpt voice not working on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first fix here is to check your internet or service connection. So just basically make sure your internet connection is stable and reasonably fast. Voice features need a live connection. A weak connection can stop Chatgpt from processing voice input or output. Now, sometimes it is occasionally the issue on OpenAI's side, so sometimes those servers or voice servers are down or having problems, and there's nothing you can do but to wait it out and try again later. Try their socials to see any updates. Now, the third fix here is to check the mic permissions and hardware. So we need to go ahead and allow microphone access. So I'm on Google Chrome. So what I can do is click on the three dots here. And now as you can see, I've got it enabled. So go ahead and make sure that is enabled. If it's disabled, your voice will not work on ChatGPT. Now we need to go ahead and check the Windows privacy settings. So go ahead and click on the search, type in settings. Now you open up your system settings. Now we need to go to privacy and security. So click onto that tab. And then to the right, find microphone. So app permissions, click on the microphone. And then make sure it is microphone access that is enabled. And also you can go ahead and make sure let desktop apps access your microphone, make sure that's enabled too. There's Google Chrome. Now if you're using a different browser, just make sure that is on, and then your browser is going to be below that, and you can see that's going to be enabled. Now while we're inside settings, go ahead and click onto system as well, and then from here click onto sound. Now if we scroll down, it's going to say input, so choose a device for speaking or recording. So I'm using a fine microphone. Make sure you got the correct microphone selected here, so go ahead and find it and click onto it. And now we can also click into that and make sure we can start a test here, and we can see I'm talking now, so you're going to see this blue bar move if it is working. If it is working, that's great, so it's not this issue. So yeah, one of these fixes should fix your problem for your voice not working on ChatGPT.